Hello everyone, I'm Durga Devi M. You are the 23 CS 5076. I'm going to explain exercise 9 of our computer networks lab, which is about configuring IPv6 static routing using Cisco Packet Tracer. In this experiment, we learn how to connect two different IPv6 network using routers and configure static routes so that device from one network can communicate with device in another network. IPv6 is the latest version of the Internet Protocol and it provides a very large address space compared to IPv4. In my topology, I have created two separate LANs and connected to these routers. Like router 0 and router 2 connect the two LANs. These are Cisco 2911 routers. They connect two networks and handle routing between them. Switches are switch 0 and 1. Each switch connects multiple PC within the same LAN. Here we have PC 0 to PC 3. On left side, router is connected to a switch 0 is connected to switch 1, which connects to PC2 and PC3. Both routers are connected to each other using a serial connections. This red line is represented as serial connection. Now let's look at the IPv6 addressing scheme have used. The network between router 0 and router 2 is used addresses 2002 db/64 for router 1 and router 2 is 2000 db/2/64. The LAN connected to router uses the 2001 AA64. PC0 is for 2001 AA64. The LAN connected to router 2 is our 2003 CC64. Router 2 is 2003 CC164. And for PC2 and PC3 it is 10 and 20. Each LAN uses 64 subnet masks, which is standard in IPv6 addressing. After assigning the IPv6 address, I enable IPv6 routing on both the route using the commands. The commands are unicast and routing. On router 0, I added a route to each the network 2003 CC64 through router 2. These static tell each router how to forward packets to correct the destination work. Here we have a PC0. I sent a ping message here. To PC1. It came successful here in downside. Then let's type for the LAN 2, which is PC2 to PC3, which is also successful. And try to do this for all. PC0 to router is also successful. And PC2 to router 2 is also successful. So in this bottom, we can see that the ping is successful. Let's quickly review the purpose of each device. Routers connect different networks and determine the best path for data to travel. Switches is connect multiple devices within the same local area network. PCs act as end device to test and verify communication. Design a network using router, switch, and PC, which is the configurer of IPv6 static routing and verify connectivity between devices using the ping command. This experiment helped me to understand how the IPv6 routing works and how the routers forward packets between different networks. Thank you.